morning, sir. Welcome to our Computer Science Expo. My name is K. Vedansh. Here is our project, Computers and Networks. Use of printer. Printer is used for create documents, etc. Use of joystick. Joystick used for playing games. Use of microphone. Microphone used for speak with anyone or someone.
Webcam is used for capture image and send to the computer. By using webcam, you can also see the other person's barcode reader. BCR barcode reader is optical that can be read the printed barcode readers.
Sir. Good morning, sir. Welcome to our computer science project. My name is P. Shisha and I am studying in our school, Ravindra Bharati Public School. And I am proudly to study in this school because of learning new concepts and activities. Here is my project. My project name is Parts of a Computer. Parts of a computer are monitors, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printers, speakers, etc.
Computer works on IPO cycle. IPO cycle means input processing output device. Input devices are keyboard, mouse. Processing devices are CPU. Output devices are monitor, speaker, printer, etc. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers, parents, and my lovable friends. Welcome to our Computer Science Expo. Here is my project. My project name is Memory of Computer. Types of memory. Memory has two types: primary memory, secondary memory. Primary memory has two types: RAM and ROM. Secondary memory has floppy disk, CD, DVD, hard disk, pen drive. Thank you.
8 bits equals to 1 byte, 1024 bytes equals to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes equals to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabytes equals to 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabytes equals to 1 terabyte.
Thank you,
sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Lakshmi Narasimha. I am studying in 8th standard. I am telling about Max Park. There have circle, square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. I am telling about square. All sides are equal. All angles are 90 degrees. Diagonal bisect each other perpendicularly.
Good morning, sir. This is Nishal Babu studying 9th class R section. I am telling about the different shapes and the size of the human body. Nervous cell, bone blood cells, smooth cells, sticky cells. Blood cells are divided into two types: blood cells, white blood cells. Agar cells are divided into three types: monocytic, linocytic, agar. Agar was the monocytic, linocytic. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Good morning, sir. We are from 9th standard. Myself, Abhishek Raj.
Myself, Gionaron.
This project name is RPPS Dam. Dams plays a crucial role in water management and provides the hydroelectricity, and it controls the floods and it controls the flow of water. And my friend will explain, sir, another part.
It has benefits like reverberating energy. It will reverberate the water for irrigation, drinking water, and also water supply of industrial uses. It will regulate the water for risks of downstreams. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
So this is water distillation. Water distillation is a water process where the water heated and evaporate and it separates the contaminator. How it works means contaminator evaporates until it goes into beaker and form and mix with the liquid and forms impurity of water. Purity of water. It kills organisms like viruses, protozoa, and etc. hardness, etc. Many people use this process to drink the safety of water. Thank you, sir.
It is Bernoulli's theorem says it is the main source of aerodynamics and fluid friction. Without this, aeroplanes and helicopters cannot be invented in this world. It includes speed, velocity, density, pressure, etc. When speed of a fluid increases, the pressure will be decreased. If the speed of the fluid decreases, the pressure will be increased. Thank you, sir.
Morning, sir.
This is our project class switch.
If you went to a dark room, you find difficult to find switches. So you can simply make sound or clap, and you can simply switch on the light. Now my friend Tanish will explain about the components. In this project, we use Arduino board, mic sensor, and relay module. First, you should give coding for the Arduino board. By the following the coding, you should connect this Arduino board, mic sensor, and relay module. By the connections and the codes, the relay module receives the energy and passes to bulb and it will glow. Now my friend Abhijit will explain the process.
If we clap, sound sensor recognize the sound and send it to the Arduino board. The Arduino board converts the sound energy into electrical energy electrical energy and send it to all the connections that we have given according to the code. And relay module receives the energy and send it to the signal to the bulb, and then bulb will glow. Not only a clap sound, any sound that sound sensor recognize means light will glow. Thank you.
You can try.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kediraj and I am from 9th standard, and he is my friend Q. Krishmanohar. We are both done this project Pythagoras theorem. This is called the Pythagoras theorem, sir. And this is the side 1 square and this is side 2 square. If we add this both sides, we will get the hypotenuse side, sir. Hypotenuse means the larger side of the triangle, sir. For example, this is 24 centimeters, sir, and this is 16 centimeters, sir. If we add this both squares, we will get the hypotenuse side, sir.
Pythagoras is the great Greek mathematician who invented the Pythagoras theorem. For example, 24 centimeters plus side 1 plus side 2 square. The height of an right angle triangle is 16. When we add we will get the hypotenuse of the Pythagoras right angle triangle.
Prepositions are words which show the relation between a noun and pronoun and other words in the sentences. When you are taking sentences, you have to add this all. Example, on. The cat is on the chair. I take on example. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Kathy Sri. I am studying 5th class A1 section. Now I am telling about even and odd numbers. The numbers which are having 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in units place, such numbers are called even numbers. The numbers which are having 1, 3, 5, 7 9 in units place, such numbers are called odd numbers, sir. Thank you, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर, मेरा नाम दयानु, मैं 5वीं कक्षा पढ़ती हूँ। आज हमारा RBPS MNR ब्रांच में प्रतीक्षा होती है। मैं प्रतीक्षा का नाम पर्यायवाचन शब्द मगन, सगन, छगन, बगन, लगन, रगन, दगन, नगन, पगन, तगन, वगन, हगन, जगन, शगन, कगन। गुड मॉर्निंग सर, माय नेम इज शेख जोया अफरा। मैं 5वीं कक्षा पढ़ती हूँ। आज हमारा RBPS MNR ब्रांच में प्रतीक्षा होता है। मेरे प्रतीक्षा का नाम पर्यायवाचन शब्द। कैसे शब्द का सामान अर्थ बताने वाले को पर्यायवाचन शब्द कहते हैं।
शुभ मध्याह्నం సార్, నా పేరు కే వెంకట్టారు. నేను MNR RBPS బ్రాంచ్ లో 6వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఈరోజు కర్త, కర్మ, క్రియ, కృత్యం చేస్తున్నాను. కమల గుడికి వెళ్ళింది. భూతకాలము. పిల్లలు బడికి వెళ్తున్నారు. వర్తమాన కాలం. ధన్యవాదాలు. శుభ మధ్యాహ్నం సార్, నా పేరు పి జగదీష్. నేను రవీంద్ర భారతి పాఠశాలలో 8వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను చెప్పబోయేది స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధుల గురించి. స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధులు అంటే అర్థం దేశ స్వాతంత్ర్యం కోసం ప్రాణాలు అర్పించిన వారిని స్వాతంత్ర్య సమరయోధులు అంటారు. బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళు మన దేశాన్ని 200 ఏళ్ళు పాలించారు. వారి పాలనలో భారతీయులు మనం ఎన్నో కష్టాలను, బాధలను అనుభవించాము. స్వేచ్ఛను, స్వాతంత్ర్యాన్ని కోల్పోయాము. ఎంతో మంది ప్రాణ త్యాగాల ఫలితంగా మనకు స్వాతంత్ర్యం లభించింది. ధన్యవాదాలు.
శుభోదయం, నా పేరు జస్మిత. నేను 7వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఈరోజు నేను వివిధ పండుగల గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. మన సంస్కృతి సాంప్రదాయాలకు ప్రతిబింబాలే పండుగలు. పండుగలు ప్రజల మధ్య ఐకమత్యాన్ని నెలకొల్పుతున్నాయి. పండుగలు 2 రకాలు. అవి మతపరమైన పండుగలు, జాతీయ పండుగలు. మతపరమైన పండుగలు రంజాన్, సంక్రాంతి, క్రిస్మస్. ఇవి ఏ మతము వారే జరుపుకుంటారు. జాతీయ పండుగలు స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం, గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవం. ఇవి కులమత భేదాలు లేకుండా దేశంలోని ప్రజలందరూ కలిసిమెలిసి ఐకమత్యంతో జరుపుకుంటారు. సంక్రాంతి హిందూ మతంలో జరుపుకునే ముఖ్యమైన పండుగ. ఈ పండుగను రైతులకు పంట చేతికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత జరుపుకుంటారు. అందుకే దీనిని రైతుల పండుగ అని కూడా అంటారు. ఈ పండుగను ప్రజలు 3 రోజులు జరుపుకుంటారు. మొదటి రోజు భోగి, 2వ రోజు మకర సంక్రాంతి, 3వ రోజు కనుమ. మొదటి రోజు భోగిన పొద్దున్నే భోగి మంటలు వేస్తారు. సాయంత్రం చిన్నపిల్లలకు భోగి పళ్ళు పోస్తారు. మకర సంక్రాంతి రోజు గాలిపటాలు ఎగరవేస్తారు, ముగ్గులు పోటీలు పెడతారు. కనుమ రోజు పశువులకు పూజలు చేస్తారు. హరిదాసులు, గంగిరెద్దులు, పిండి వంటలతో సందడిగా ఉంటుంది. రంజాన్ ముస్లింలు జరుపుకునే పండుగలలో రంజాన్ ఒకటి. ఈ పండుగను ఈద్ లేదా ఈద్ ఉల్ ఫితర్ అని కూడా అంటారు. అల్లా యొక్క కరుణ రక్షణ అందరికీ పొందాలని ఈద్గాలలో నమాజు చేస్తారు. క్రిస్మస్ క్రైస్తవులు జరుపుకునే పండుగలలో క్రిస్మస్ ఒకటి. ఈ పండుగను యేసుప్రభు పుట్టినందుకు జరుపుకుంటారు. స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం మన భారతదేశానికి బ్రిటిష్ వారి నుండి స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చిన రోజుని స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవంగా జరుపుకుంటాము. ఈ పండుగను ఆగస్టు 15వ తేదీన జరుపుకుంటాము. ధన్యవాదాలు.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. నా పేరు హర్ని. మేము ఈరోజు రైతు యొక్క గొప్పతనం మరియు వ్యవసాయం ఎలా జరుగుతుందో చెప్పబోతున్నాం. లావణ్య, అసలు రైతు అంటే ఏంటి?
రైతు అంటే మనం పండించే మనకి భోజనాన్ని అందించేవారు రైతు.
రైతు యొక్క గొప్పతనం మరియు కష్టం గురించి చెప్పగలవా?
రైతు ఎండనక వాననక విశ్రాంతి లేకుండా చేలో కష్టపడతాడు. తన సుఖాన్ని చూసుకోడు, ఇతరుల సుఖాలను చూసి ఈర్ష్యపడడు. 10 మందికి ఆహారం పెట్టడంలోనే తృప్తి చెందుతాడు రైతు.
ఇప్పుడు నేను వ్యవసాయం ఎలా చేస్తారో చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ముందుగా రైతు దుక్కి దున్నుతాడు. పొలంలో నీరు నిల్వ ఉండడానికి పొలం చుట్టూ గట్లు వేస్తారు. గట్లు వేశాక ట్రాక్టర్తో దున్నిస్తారు. తర్వాత విత్తనాలు చల్లుతారు. ఆ తర్వాత నారుమడి అంటే మొలకెత్తిన విత్తనాలు చల్లిన తర్వాత వీటికున్న తడి వలన ఈ ఎదుగుతాయి. ఆ తర్వాత నారుమడిలో మొలిచిన మొక్కలతో 3-4 చప్పున పొలం చుట్టూ నాటుకుంటూ వెళ్తారు. దీన్ని నాట్లు వేయడం అంటారు. కొంతకాలానికి కలుపు మొక్కలు వస్తాయి. దీన్ని తీసివేయకపోతే భూమి యొక్క సారాన్ని పీల్చేసుకుంటాయి. ఇంకొంతకాలానికి ఈ పంటలు పసుపు రంగులోకి మారతాయి. దీన్ని బట్టి ఇది మంచిగా జరుగుతుందని, మంచిగా పండిందని అర్థమవుతుంది.
దాని తర్వాత కుప్ప నూరుస్తారు. కుప్ప నూర్చడం అంటే వడ్లను గడ్డిని వేరు చేయడం. ఆ తర్వాత తూర్పార పెడతారు. తూర్పార పెట్టడం అంటే చాటలతో ధాన్యాన్ని ఎగురవేస్తారు. ఇలా చేయడం వల్ల ధాన్యంలో ఉన్న దుమ్ము ధూళి పోతుంది. ఆ తర్వాత దీన్ని ఇంటికి తీసుకొని వెళ్ళి గాదలో నిల్వ ఉంచుతారు. దీన్ని గూడౌన్కి పంపుతారు. దాని తర్వాత అవసరం ఉన్నప్పుడు రైస్ మిల్లుకి పంపి మర్రాడిస్తారు.
ఈ బియ్యాన్ని వండితే అన్నం అవుతుంది. ఇలా రైతు ఏడాదంతా కష్టపడి మనకి అన్నం అందిస్తారు. అందుకే అన్నాన్ని వృధా చేయకూడదు. అందుకే అన్నం పరబ్రహ్మ స్వరూపం అని చెప్తారు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम विष्णु, मैं 5वीं कक्षा पढ़ता हूँ। आज हमारे आरबीपी सेमिनार ब्रांच में हिंदी प्रदर्शनी है। मेरे प्रदर्शनी का नाम स्वच्छ भारत अभियान है। स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के बारे में एक नारा बोलना चाहता हूँ। स्वच्छता का रखना हमेशा ध्यान, तभी तो बनेगा हमारा भारत महान। प्रस्तावना, स्वच्छता का सीधा संबंध हमारे शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य से जुड़ा हुआ है। अच्छा कहना गलत न होगा कि स्वच्छ शरीर में ही एक मन का निवास होता है। आज से 100 वर्ष पहले महात्मा गांधी जी के स्वच्छ भारत का सपना देखा, जो आज साकार हो रहा है। स्वच्छ भारत अभियान की शुरुआत हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी के द्वारा 2 अक्टूबर 2014 में महात्मा गांधी जी के जन्मदिन के दिन किया गया था। भारत से गंदगी हटाना है, भारत में स्वच्छता लानी है। स्वच्छता हमारे घर से शुरू होगी और सड़कों तक जाती है। अब कुछ गलत लोग गलत जगह पर फैक्ट्रियां लगा देते हैं, जल को हवा को गंदगी से भर देते हैं। भारत में आए दिन नई मशीनों का प्रयोग किया जा रहा है, जिससे भारत से गंदगी हटाना है। इसलिए हमें फैक्ट्रियों को सही जगह पर लगाना और प्रदूषण से भारत के लोगों को बचाना है। कूड़े को कूड़ेदान में डालना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
नमस्ते, ये दुनिया के 7 अजूबे हैं। हमने इनको बनाया है ताकि हम इनके ऐतिहासिकता और संस्कृति के बारे में आपको जानकारी दे पाए। ये ताजमहल है, भारत में स्थित ये विशाल मकबरा मुगल बादशाह शाहजहां ने अपनी पत्नी के लिए बनवाया था। इसकी ऊंचाई 73 मीटर है। ये सफ़ेद पत्थरों से बनाया गया है। ये पेट्रा है, ये जॉर्डन में स्थित है। ये प्राचीन रेतीली पत्थरों की चट्टान से उकेरा गया है।
ये माचू पिचू है, ये पेरू में स्थित है और इसकी ऊंचाई 2430 मीटर है। ये चीन की महान दीवार है, ये दुनिया की सबसे लंबी दीवार है। ये चीन में स्थित है। इसकी ऊंचाई लगभग 13,000 मील है। ये चीचेन इट्जा है, ये मेक्सिको में स्थित है। ये पिरामिड ऑफ कुकुलकान दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा पिरामिड है।
ये रोमन कोलोजियम है, ये इटली में स्थित है। इसमें 50,000 से अधिक लोग बैठ सकते हैं। ये क्राइस्ट द रिडीमर है, ये ब्राजील में स्थित है। इसका वजन 635 टन है। इसको यूनेस्को द्वारा विश्व धरोहर स्थल घोषित किया गया है। धन्यवाद।
शुभ मध्याह्न अध्यापिका जी, मेरा नाम के कार्तिका, मैं 8वीं कक्षा का छात्र। आज मैं श्रीहरिकोटा प्रोजेक्ट बनाना चाह रहा हूँ। श्रीहरिकोटा आंध्र प्रदेश का एक अंतरिक्ष केंद्र है। इस शहर से कहते हैं सतीश धवन भारत के महान वैज्ञानिक है। सतीश धवन अंतरिक्ष केंद्र के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है। ग्रहों की परिक्रमा करने वाला आकाशीय पिंडों को उपग्रह कहते हैं। मानव निर्मित आकाशीय पिंडों को कृत्रिम उपग्रह कहते हैं। कृत्रिम उपग्रह वातावरण की जानकारी, शत्रु देश के प्रति सावधानी, जल स्रोतों की जानकारी आदि प्रतीत होती है। धन्यवाद।
शुभ मध्य, मेरा नाम के जय संतोष है, मैं 8वीं कक्षा का छात्रा। आज मैं हिंदी प्रोजेक्ट बताना जा रही हूँ। प्रस्तुत पाठ में भारतीय स्वतंत्र संग्राम के एक लोकपूर्ण सरदार वल्लभ पटेल की वीरता के बारे में वर्णन किया गया है। एक बार बचपन में वल्लभ ने रास्ते पर चलने वाले को समस्या का कारण बने हुए।
शुभ मध्याह्न जी, मेरा नाम ज्ञातिश्री सरन्या है।
मेरा नाम शालिनी है। हम 7वीं कक्षा पढ़ रहे हैं। हम एमएनआर शाखा को छात्रा हूँ। हमारा प्रोजेक्ट का नाम चिड़ियाघर है। अपने आसपास रहने वाले वातावरण को पर्यावरण कहलाता है।
मनुष्य, पशु और पक्षी के भी पर्यावरण के बारे में आते हैं।
यह चिड़ियाघर है। यहाँ कुछ पशु और पक्षियों है।
पशु और पक्षियों को पालन पोषण करना हमारा कर्तव्य है। प्रश्नों का उत्तर कीजिए।
जानवरों कितने प्रकार है?
जानवरों 2 प्रकार है।
वे क्या क्या है?
जंगली को जानवर, पालतू जानवर।
पालतू जानवर क्या क्या है?
पालतू जानवर कुत्ता, बिल्ली, घोड़ा, खरगोश आदि है।
जंगली जानवर क्या क्या है?
जंगली जानवर शेर, लोमड़ी, भालू, बाघ आदि है।
पालतू जानवर से क्या उपयोग मिलते हैं?
पालतू जानवर से किसान के लिए, गरीबत के लिए, दूर के लिए, घर को देखभाल के लिए उपयोग मिलते हैं।
जंगली जानवर से क्या उपयोग मिलते हैं?
जंगली जानवर से ना उपयोग मिलते हैं।
हमारा जाति जंतु का नाम क्या है?
हमारा जाति जंतु का नाम बाघ है।
हमारा जातीय पक्षी का नाम क्या है?
हमारा जाति पक्षी का नाम मोर है।
धन्यवाद।
शुभोदय सभी को, मेरा नाम हर्षिका कुमारी है, मैं 7वीं कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ। मेरे प्रोजेक्ट का नाम त्योहार है। अब मैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। हमारा भारत प्राचीन देश है। यहाँ अनेक प्रकार के लोग रहते हैं। वे हिंदू, मुसलमान, ईसाई आदि रहते हैं। हिंदू लोगों की किताब रामायण, महाभारत और भगवत गीता है। हिंदू लोग मंदिर जाते हैं। ये लोग दीपावली, दशहरा, होली आदि मनाते हैं। इनका पवित्र स्थल काशी है। मुसलमान लोगों की किताब कुरान है। मुसलमान लोग मस्जिद जाते हैं। ये लोग रमजान आदि मनाते हैं। इनका पवित्र स्थल मक्का है। ईसाई लोगों की किताब बाइबिल है। ईसाई लोग चर्च जाते हैं। ये लोग क्रिसमस, गुड फ्राइडे आदि मनाते हैं। इनका पवित्र स्थल जेरूसलेम है। धन्यवाद।
मेरा नाम कृति है, मैं 6वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रही हूँ। आज मैं आपको तुलसीदास के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। उनका जन्म स्थल राजापुर गांव में हुआ था। उनकी मृत्यु काशी में हुई थी। उनका जीवन काल 1532-1626 में हुआ था। उनके माता पिता का नाम हुलसी आत्माराम दुबे था। उनके गुरु का नाम नरहरिदास था। उनके पत्नी का नाम रत्नावली था। उनके मुख्य रचना है रामचरितमानस थी। धन्यवाद।
शुभोदय सभी लोग, मेरा नाम हर्षिता सेनी, मैं 5वीं कक्षा पढ़ती हूँ। मेरी हिंदी प्रोजेक्ट श्रेणी प्रदूषण है। प्रदूषण के प्रकार जल प्रदूषण, वायु प्रदूषण, भूमि प्रदूषण, ध्वनि प्रदूषण, भूमि प्रदूषण। प्रदूषण के प्रकार मानवीय गतिविधि के कारण होते हैं। इससे प्रकृति को नुकसान पहुंचाता है। परिस्थिति तंत्र को सुबलान बिगाड़ता है। पहले जल प्रदूषण। नदियों, झीलों, समुद्रों में पानी में दूषित होते हैं।
इनसे इसको जल प्रदूषण कहते हैं। वायु प्रदूषण हवा में हानिकारक गैसों कणों को होना चाहिए, इसलिए उसको वायु प्रदूषण कहते हैं। धन्यवाद। Good afternoon, sir. Myself Varsha from 4th grade A1 section. Now I am going to explain my project types of nouns. Nouns are naming words. There are 8 types of nouns. Proper noun. Proper nouns are the nouns that refers to a specific entity. It always begins with a capital letter. Examples: Ellora Caves, Hava Mahal, Taj Mahal, Red Fort. Common nouns. Common nouns are words for a general class of people, place, thing or animal. Examples: lion, elephant, kiwi, Goa. Compound noun. A compound noun is formed by combining 2 or more separate words to create a single noun with a specific meaning. Examples: moon plus light, moonlight. Key plus hole, keyhole. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are names of the people or objects which can be counted. Examples: hamburger, candies, pancake, cup, french fries, clothes, box, grapes, apple, vegetable, coins, peas. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are material which cannot be counted. Examples: fried rice, noodles, milk, kesari, lemon rice. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are groups of people or objects. Examples: team, band, crowd, pair, flock, family, staff, pack, herd, gang, board, set, court, army, class. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns tells about our feelings. Examples: love, bravery, friendship, health, wealth, happiness, angry, excitement, talent, childhood, knowledge. Emotions, ideas, qualities, events, thoughts, opinions, feelings, states of life. Thank you, sir.
मेरा नाम लवसन है। मैं 4वीं कक्षा पढ़ता हूँ। मैं RBPS MNR ब्रांच में हिंदी प्रदर्शनी है। मेरा प्रदर्शनी विलोम शब्द एक दूसरे का उल्टा अर्थ बताने वाले शब्दों को विलोम शब्द कहते हैं। हंसना, रोना, ऊपर नीचे, बंद, खुला, पास, दूर, सीधा, उल्टा, अंधेरा, उजाला।
सभी को प्रणाम। मेरा नाम प्रज्ञा सेन है। मैं 4वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मेरे RBPS MNR ब्रांच में हिंदी प्रशिक्षण है। क्रिया जो शब्द किसी कार्य के करने या होने का संकेत दे उन्हें क्रिया कहते हैं। क्रिया के रूप से उसके विषय, संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के लिंग वचन का भी पता चल जाता है। जैसे खाता, खाती। क्रिया के उदाहरण रोना, हंसना, पीना, गाना। क्रिया के 2 भेद: सकर्मक क्रिया, अकर्मक क्रिया। सकर्मक क्रिया का अर्थ होता है कर्म के साथ या कर्म सहायक जिस क्रिया का प्रभाव कर्ता पर ना पड़कर कर्म पर पड़ता है उन्हें सकर्मक क्रिया कहते हैं। जैसे बच्चे दौड़ रहे हैं, बच्चा साइकिल चला रहा है, बच्ची ढोल बजा रही है। जिस कर्ता का प्रभाव कर्म पर ना पड़े या जिस कर्म की जरूरत कर्ता पर ना पड़े या क्रिया का फल कर्ता पर ही पड़ता है उन्हें अकर्मक क्रिया कहते हैं। जैसे बच्चा पढ़ रहा है, बच्चा रो रहा है, बच्चा कूद रहा है, बच्चा खा रहा है। धन्यवाद। गुड इवनिंग टीचर्स एंड पेरेंट्स। मेरा नाम पठान हुजैर खान। मैं 4वीं कक्षा पढ़ रहा हूँ। आज की साइंस एक्सपो में मेरा प्रोजेक्ट हिंदी वर्णमाला है। स्वर 11 है। अ आ इ ई उ रू ए ए ओ औ। व्यंजन 33 है। का खा गा घा दा, चा चा जा झाना, ता था दा झाना, ता था दा झाना, पा फा बा भा मा, यारा लावा शेषा साहा। संयुक्त व्यंजन 4 है। छात्रा, ज्ञात्रा। द्रव्य व्यंजन 2 है। दा धा, दा धा। अनुस्वर या चंद्र बिंदु 1 है। आम या औ। विसर्ग 1 है। आहा। हिंदी वर्णमाला कुल 52 है। धन्यवाद।
Good afternoon, sir. My name is K. Varun Shekar. Today I am telling about carbon purification for industries. From this substance, it will come black air substance. From this, it will come to this box. Cotton will absorb the black air and it purifies the white air. And it will come from this side, which we breathe the air. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is K. Sandeep from 9th R1. Today I am going to explain about sensor sanitizer. Sensor sanitizer is a sensor sanitizer is automatically device that is a set of promoting hygiene and germs to allowing users to sanitize their hand without physically touching the machine.
The materials which we use for sensor sanitizer is switch, battery, and a water pump and a TAPI3C2 transistor and 1K resistor. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am T. Harshavardhan from 9th R1. Today I am explaining about motion detector. Motion detector is a sensor. It is observed from the PIR sensor. It is motion detector is important in some security and safety. Motion detector, while getting the detector, it will produce an alert from the buzzer. And in modern technologies, it will give alert through the mobile phone also. Motion detector is also important in safety. Its main theme was safety and security.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Pawan Kalyani Arshit. We done the project on the earthquake protection. If the earthquake came, the sensor will detect the earthquake and alert the people to move to the safe place.
And we introduce a new model to prevent the earthquakes. If an earthquake came, means our magnet will decrease the frequency of the earthquake and reduce and protect the people from getting injury or dying from the earthquakes. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. This is a rocket and this is a lander and this is a rover. Like this, sir. The rocket was launched on 14 July 2023. It separated the lander from the propulsion module on August 17, 2023, landing into the lunar orbit on August 5, 2023. It was success, sir. The success of Chandrayaan 3 was help to India to understand the interplanetary mission, and it helps to ISRO to learn how to plan and return from the moon to Earth. And the lander name is Vikram. The Vikram lander touched down of the lunar surface on the moon, sir. The rocket was launched on 14 July 2037 Space Center, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Tarun Teja from RBPS MNR branch. Today our project name is rechargeable table fan. The prime motto of my project is rechargeable table fan. Rechargeable table fan runs without electricity. It has a unique part that is we can using for charging and cost effective and portable. And advantages we can use without electricity, and it has a unique part for charging and cost effective and portable. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Anharsha from 8th class. Today I am telling about electricity conductor. In pencil lead, the graphite can passes. In wood, does not pass. In scissors, can pass. In plastic, does not pass. Steel can pass. Spoon can pass. Iron nail can pass. Sharpener does not pass. Cardboard does not pass. Eraser does not pass. Blade can pass. We can conclude that conductor passes through them. Example of pencil lead, the sharpener, blade, and steel. We conclude that non-metals cannot pass. Metals can pass. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is A. Dinesh Kulshekar. I am from Ramdravati Public School, Vijayawada. Today I am telling about my project. This is the project how to produce electricity from tires. When the pressure go to the tires, the tire rotates and produce electricity. This is the formula of how to produce electricity. Example of producing of electricity is solar city, hydropower, and etc. Thermal power.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jiaman and he is my friend T. Suresh. Today I am telling about pressure. What is meant by pressure?
A force acting on an unit area is called pressure.
Pressure unit, Pascal. SI unit, Newton by meter square. CGS unit, Dyne by centimeter square. Now my friend will sit on the nails.
I can sit on the nails because it will the pressure is less because the pressure is less because the if the area is more the pressure will be less. But as if I sit on the single nail, it would injure me because the pressure will be more. But while constructing the bridges, the constructed bridges constructs the broad pillars because if the pillars are small, it would sink into the water because the pressure will be more. But bridges having more broad pillars will have more less pressure, so it will not sink into the water. Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is B. Ashwant Kumar. Today we are doing our project drip irrigation. So in this drip irrigation, there is a tank and water is stored in the tank. The water is running through the pipes and there are very small holes that water drips through. The water goes very deep roots of the plants, so the plants can grow more easily. But the plants take more time to grow. This technique is used in the areas where there is more drought or there is less availability of water. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is K. Chetan. He is my friend Ankit. We are studying 8th class. Today our project name was Newton's Cradle. Newton's Cradle is a device that which institutes or say the laws of momentum and energy transform. The French physicist introduced the Newton's law in the year of 1960s. His name was André Roche. Now my friend Ankit will say a few points about this project.
The potential energy of one ball is converted into the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy travels to the last ball.
Here potential energy means an object which is in rest position. If I lift this ball and if I release it, this means you can see the kinetic energy was applied here. A kinetic energy means an object which is moving is known as the kinetic energy. We want to prove that how many energies are acting in this project. Thank you.
My name is V. Durga Sai Dhanush. My partner name is P. Pardu. We both are studying in 8th R1 section. Today my topic name is pollution. Pollution is the releasing of harmful substances into air and water. It can be caused by natural process of air pollution. Effects of air pollution. Heart disease, lung cancer, stroke and respiratory diseases are the effects of air pollution. Source of pollution. Transportation vehicles are the major source of air pollution. From industries, from households, like burning of kerosene, petrol and coal are the major source of air pollution. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sansri. She is Harni. My project name is Rainwater Prediction Sensor, sir. This is a rainwater sensor and you have to take a switch, battery and motor. If you are not available at home, this sensor will more useful to you. You have to keep this sensor top of your house. When the rain starts, the sensor will sense the rain and the clothes will go under the shelter.
It will be more useful for the rainy days, sir. And who are going to jobs, it will be more useful. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is D. Ram. My friend name is B. Karthikeya. We are studying 6th R section. Today we are explaining about how the volcano formed and how the volcano takes place. Now my friend will explain about that.
Good afternoon, sir. Today I am explaining about volcano. A volcano is like hole in the earth crust where the hot molten rock called lava, ashes and gases escapes from deep inside the planet, often building up a mountain-like structure on the surface as the materials erupt and cool down. Volcanoes formed cities in India are Barren Island, Bartang Island, Narkondam Island, Doshi Hills, Tosam Hills and Dinodar Hills. Benefits: volcano provides filtrate soil and hydrothermal energy and special minerals. Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is M. Sai Shreyas. I am studying 6th class. Today I am telling about hydraulic bridge. When the hydraulic bridge opens, the ship will go to that side. After going, it is automatically closed because it is completely based on computer system. Hydraulic bridge uses Pascal law to transfer pressure through an impressible fluid. The purpose of the hydraulic bridge is to allow the seaside traffic through a body of water. In general, it can be moved to allow passage for boats and ships. Importance of the hydraulic bridge is carry heavy weights, safe and easy, positive loading, carry different weights, etc. I inspired from the London Bridge to make the awareness among the people. They only not in London. There are so many bridges in India also. They are Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Like notable examples are like Pambam Bridge. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Akhil Charan from 6th class R section. Nowadays, everyone wants fan and light. But my project is the combination of fan and light, means electric circuit fan. When the fan rotates, automatically it takes place, the wind energy takes place and it converts into mechanical energy like this. Automatically it gives with the help of cables. In the form of 2000 it will be like this, in the form of 19 it was like this, and in the form of 500 to 900 AD, and it was invented by Daniel and John. My uses of my project are generating electricity, milling grain, pumping water, providing draft for fire, reducing carbon footprint. Advantages of my project are electric circuit fan, a type of fan that energy and source of energy. Disadvantages, not suitable for the extreme temperature. Thank you to listening my project.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Leela Kartikeya.
My name is M. Chester Naik.
We are from 9th class R section. Today our project actually tells about properties of circle. In this we represent some properties of circle. Before that, what is circle? My friend will.
The circle is a two-dimensional figure which is represented by center and radius. What is this?
This is called radius. A radius is a line segment which is passing through the center to any point on its circumference. What is this?
It is center. Center is also called a fundamental property of a circle. Its center is a point which is equidistant from all the points of a circle. What is this?
This is called the diameter. A diameter is a line segment which is passing through the center, which is passing through the two opposite ends of a circle. What is this?
This is a chord. A chord is a line segment joining the two points of a circle. Circumference. This is circumference is nothing but distance of a circle.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is K. Joshi.
My name is Vibani.
We are from 9th class. Today we are explaining about type of quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is which is a closure figure which has 4 sides, 4 line segments, and 4 diagonals. And it has 2 diagonals.
Parallelogram. If two pairs of opposite sides are parallel, it's form a parallelogram.
If the adjacent sides of a parallelogram is equal, then we can call it as rhombus.
If one of an angle is 90 degrees, it's form a rectangle.
If adjacent sides of a rectangle is equal, then we can call it as a square.
Properties of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonals bisect each other.
Properties of the square. All sides are equal, diagonals also equal, and adjacent sides are also equal.
Also, rectangle. Opposite sides are equal, angles are 90 degrees, adjacent sides are supplementary, diagonals are equal and bisect each other.
Properties of rhombus. All sides are equal, diagonals not equal, and adjacent sides are supplementary. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Jivyanga Karthik from 9th R section. My project name is mensuration. It is useful in our daily life activities, in construction works, measurements, etc. Parallelograms. It has 4 sides. All angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Opposite angles are equal. Square has 4 sides. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Trapezium. One side of opposite sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other, but diagonals are not equal. Rhombus. It has 4 sides. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals not equal. Triangle. It has 3 sides. Sum of interior angles are 180 degrees. Circle. It has diameter and radius and midpoint. Semicircle. It has radius and midpoint. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Ayman from 7th R. My project name is triangle and its property. A 3-sided polygon is called triangle. There are 6 types of triangle: equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle.